Hi everyone, today I am going to modify a Ford car. Here's what's in the package for this car radio. This is the disassembly tool. First, we remove the yellow panel on the left side of the button. Then remove the yellow panel on the right side of the button. Now we remove the air outlet panels on the left and right sides. Remove the yellow horizontal panel in the middle. Next, we remove the screws that fix the original car button panel. Then remove the button panel of the original car, and remove the cigarette lighter panel below. Note, there is a screw under the cigarette lighter, otherwise we cannot remove the button panel. Okay, now we take the button panel and unplug all the wires on the back. Then we remove all the screws fixing the original car host and the original car screen. Then we unplug the main unit and all the wires on the back of the original car screen. We connect the configured wires to the back of the new car machine. This is its power cord and air conditioning board. We first insert the original car air conditioner plug into the air conditioner board. Then connect the serial port plug on the power supply to the air conditioner board. Then there is the original car plug on the power cord. We only need to connect these three plugs. Note, no connection required. Okay, now that's done, we'll hook it up to our new car radio. We connect its serial cable according to these positions. This is the camera wire. These two are the original car USB and the original car radio line. Then we refixed the new car radio screen. Reinstall the cigarette lighter panel. Okay, the upgrade is almost complete. Let's debug the protocol first. We first go to the factory settings, enter the password, and select the corresponding model. Note that we need to connect to the network. After setting up the corresponding protocol, you can use your new car radio to control the air conditioner. Of course, you can also control the air conditioner through its buttons. It still retains the steering wheel button operation. It also has many other functions, such as DSP, which can adjust the sound quality of your car. Radio automatic search frequency band. You can insert a U-disc to play local music. You can play movies. You can also use Carplay, which can make calls, listen to music, use map navigation, etc. Okay, there is nothing wrong with the test function. Now we remove the buckle on the original car and install it on the new accessory. Then reinstall all other accessories according to their positions. The upgrade is complete. Thank you for watching.